Hi! In front of me is POCO F5 and today I would like to show you how you can change display refresh rate. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling down just a bit to access display. Then scroll down, click on Refresh Rate and tap on the best option for you. You can tap on Default or select Custom and tap on Refresh Rate. Then pick one of those options by tapping on the best one for you. Then go back. So when I do that, as you can see, screen refresh rate of my POCO has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!